Welcome to CineBattle, the show where two filmmakers battle against each other through a filmmaking challenge. Last week, Jordy and Yannick had to shoot and edit a product video with a minimal set of gear within 1 hour. And you chose that Jordy, aka Team Red, won. That makes it 3 points for Team Red and 2 points for Team Blue. Today is the final round of CineBattle. Will Jordy be the glorious winner? Or will Yannick take the score to a draw? Only you can decide. In this battle, both filmmakers will have to create an entire music video within 24 hours. The bands have already been chosen. There's no lighting, no scenario, no set design, no nothing. Yannick, you will go first. Your 24 hours have started. Good luck.
Thank you Squarespace for sponsoring us today. With Squarespace, you can create your own professional website in no time. Their web builder allows you to create custom layouts, menus, galleries, media, and a ton more. Besides building your own website, Squarespace also offers various tools to get your website on a higher rank in search engines or view the analytics. And if you're still stuck on something, their award-winning support will be happy to help you further. To start creating your own website, visit the first link in the description below and enjoy a 10% discount.
My name is Stan and I play the guitar and the vocals.
I'm Brecht, I play the drums.
And together we are Breakfast at Midnight. I was just pretty excited because having a video clip is something that we wanted to have for a very long time. So for me it was just an immediately yes.
So I brainstormed already and I got an idea. It's this Baroque style smash it all slow-mo theme. So now we have to do the shopping to get all the attributes and food to smash. Let's go. So we noticed that the 2x2 wasn't the correct lighting. So now we're going to set up a different lighting and hope this will work. I came across a problem. If I want to do an over-shoulder shot, I don't have a wall here. So I'm filming against a black wall. So that's why we're creating a portable wall so we can fill up the gaps.
My first thoughts were just pretty much holy shit.
It was a cool set.
Yeah, I walked in, I was like, holy shit, this is more than I expected. It's a huge studio, the set was on point. It was yeah, this is going to be good.
So before shooting, I was pretty nervous because it was my first music clip and I never did such a big project. But during the shoot, my nerves were quite okay because you don't have time to think about your nerves or stress. You're directing everything and shooting everything. So my nerves were quite okay.
So we're using this plastic to protect the camera because he's gonna spit the red wine. So don't you get up and take me too much before I become that way I thought. Mom, bring me to a doctor because I'm going mad.
Getting pretty late, so I'm going home, and it seems that Yannick got 16 hours left. And Yannick, good luck!
What's wrong with me? I say, well, let me clarify and put this gun to my head. Give me my medicine.
So while Yannick is preparing for his final shots, what do you guys think already?
It's nice. I think it's going to be amazing. Pretty sure.
Yeah. Pretty good shots.
I mean, as you can see, we made a little mess and that's a good sign.
So we are nearing the end shots. I'm glad because I only have 12 hours left and still have to do all my editing, my effects and my color grading. So let's hope the end shots will go smoothly.
I remember that I took the guitar and that I smashed the guitar on the table and that a plank of the table went loose and flew right to your face. And then if you didn't move away at that point, I think we could have a little bit of a more dramatic video clip.
On a sudden moment in the final shot, they decided to throw his chair through the room. And this hit the chandelier. Not that good, because the chandelier was hanging from a pole which was connected to a bar, which was holding 2 Stella lights. They were pretty expensive. I'm glad they didn't fall, because Jordi would have been mad.
give me my medicine.
So it's a wrap. You guys clean? I edit. Thanks.
Wait, what?
Yeah?
You! You! Come back here! Come on!
During the edit, I was afraid I didn't have enough shots, but eventually I have plenty. But constantly staring at a computer screen and lack of sleep were pretty tiring and hard. But I'm confident I'm going to win because Team Blue.
Well, to be honest, I'm very excited to see this video clip.
Yeah, we know it's gonna be great.
Ready?
Yep.
Alright.
Whoa.
Holy
Yeah, nice.
Sorry for cursing, but holy
Yannick, you're the boss.
this is mental. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I can't thank you enough for this opportunity to make this clip and stuff. I'm speechless, to be honest.
This is beyond our thoughts.
It's beyond my thoughts, indeed.
I'm happy with it.
Yeah.
So next week you can see Jordi. He's working on something quite different. I went more for destroying everything. He went more for the pretty images. But we'll see what he's going to make of it. And a week after that, it's Christmas. But also we are going to release both clips to you and you can vote who's the winner. And I think it's going to be me because Team Blue!
My name is Stan, I do the guitar and the vocals.
My name is Red.
Oh man, come on, dude.
My name is Jeff. I'm Brecht.